has fewer homes for sale this week than in past weeks. Of the 132 homes available, 56.7% have reduced their prices. It's Friday, August 26th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. You need to know what the local market is doing because the local market is what impacts you personally. That's why I bring you a weekly snapshot of what our market is doing here locally in Annapolis. Be sure to subscribe. Inventory in Annapolis continues to be challenged, falling further to only 132 homes for sale. New contracts went up, and of those that sold, 37% were under $500,000, 50% were over $500,000 and up to $1 million, and 16% were over $1 million. Market activity is always a good indication of what is happening, so let's look at what the Annapolis activity did this past week. 20 homes are coming soon, which is up by only one. 14 homes came to the market since last week, down 18.66% from last report. 28 homes went under contract, up 47.36%. 20 homes are temporarily off the market, up 11%. 9 homes went pending, falling more than half from last week. 38 homes sold in 6 days, 100% list to sold ratio, with 11 of those having price adjustments before a contract was received. The highest sale this past week was in Wardour for $3 million. Rental inventory fell this past week to 21 homes for lease at $2,700, listed at an average of 17 days. Are you thinking about moving? I believe you should feel confident about buying or selling a home. Call me to talk about how we can make this happen for you. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, August 26th. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, enjoy your weekend.